Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to reset all settings on iPhone 16e. Let's begin. So all you want to do is simply go to Settings. In here you want to go to General, and here you want to scroll all the way down. Then you simply tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and at the bottom we can see Reset button. Now we can, after we click it, we see a bunch of different options. For purpose of this tutorial, we'll be resetting all settings. We'll have to input our passcode in order to go further. And now it will, the phone will basically warn us that this will indeed reset all settings. So we simply hit Reset All Settings. The phone will warn us once again. And yes, and after a while the phone should restart and boot up back on, and after it boots you will see that all the network, all the settings, all the wallpapers, basically everything should change. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.